We are speaking to the startup entrepreneur, and let's focus on moving from stress to success by building empowered habits. I am Sue, your personal transformation coach. Every mishap, every challenge that we encounter in our life, in our business, has the opportunity to either pull us down into fear and doubt, or it can lift us up into empowerment and to be more prepared for whatever the future might bring for you. There is always an opposite. Every situation we enter into, there is always an opposite way to react the way we are. Yes, challenges come, but it's not about the challenge. The challenge doesn't result in the outcome. Your reaction will result in the outcome. It's the choice you make in that moment of how to react from your knee-jerk reaction, your old habits that will result in the outcome of whatever this challenge is bringing to you. You have trained yourself to go into doubt and fear the moments there's an obstacle for you in your path, the moment something comes and brings up a blockage for you and you want to resist it. You have trained yourself to move into fear and doubt, the fear of failure and the doubt of yourself. This has become your habit. That instant thought of how am I going to failure and where am I not good enough? And that that umbrella saying of I'm not good enough in itself is a lie, because there is so much in your life that you truly are good at. So to just say I'm not good enough, you are already lying to yourself. The magic here lies that you hold all the power to bring change, to change that habit, to now bring a different knee-jerk reaction that next time that challenge shows itself, you will act differently. And how do you do that? The first thing to do is stop. Just don't do anything. Just stop and breathe, because you have moved outside of yourself so far that you've lost the connection with the power that you hold within. You need to return to yourself. You need to come back inside your body again. So stop and breathe and look at previous videos I've got. I often talk about a breath to teach you to come back inside of you. The next thing is look at the duality. There will always be two opposites at play here. So are you going to choose to go down, or are you going to choose to go up? When you have made that choice, you ask yourself the question, how do I grow from this situation, and how will that lead to my business growing as well in the process? And then the first step you do is to make sure that that step aligns with the vision you have for your business. Will this step take me to the success I've seen in the business? Or is this step going to keep me running around in doubt and fear and not moving anywhere with my business? That is what I want you to do next time you meet with a challenge. Next time your fear of failure or your doubt in yourself kicks in, stop, breathe, and then run through these 3 steps of looking at the duality. Am I going down or am I going up? The question, how do I grow from here, and how can I grow my business from here? And then my first step, will this align to my vision? Therefore, I assume that you know what your vision is. If you don't have a vision yet of where you are taking this business, how it's going to play out in your life, then you need to first do that, and then you can move forward from here. The power is all within you. You hold the cards. You are playing the cards in your business. Be sure that you play your best hand, because it is within your ability to do that. I wish you well as you move forward. Master those limiting beliefs. I'm not good enough. Nothing ever works out for me. I've always got to work hard. Life is a struggle. And you will master your future, because those are only stories you tell yourself. Be kind to yourself in this process. Have compassion. Be honest to yourself. And we will chat soon.